Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. What was it? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.
Good job.
Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. Little dog laughed to see such sport. And the dish ran away with the spoon.
Good job.
That's it.
What's the next one?
Oh, little Bo Peep have lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them.
You're so cute. Good job.